Wow, good evening, students, upper intermediate students. Okay, it's time for us to express letter C sounds k, letter C sounds sh, letter C sounds ch, letter C sounds kr. It's time for Cindy.
Letter C sounds ch, pinch. Letter C sounds certain. Letter C. I cannot miss. Can I see that? Sure. Letter C sounds k. Topic. Letter C sounds ch, pinch. Letter C sounds kr. Chrome. Letter C sounds certain.
Okay, we go to Kevin.
So letter C sound ch, choice. Letter C sound s, dice. Letter C sound k, I don't forget. Letter C sound k, cat. Letter C sound k, chromosome.
Thank you, Kevin. Okay, Rian.
So letter C sounds k, hawk. Letter C sounds ch, chair. Letter C sounds kr, Christmas. Letter C sounds s, city.
Good job. Okay, Angelino.
Well, letter C we sound k because letter C we sound ch, China. Letter C we sound s, decide. Letter C we sound kr, Christopher.
Letter C with sound k. Letter C sounds k. Computer. Ch. Cherry. Cr. Chronicle. S. Celebration.
Letter C sound curve.
Sounds.
Sounds. Curve what? Again.
Letter C sound k.
Sound.
Letter C sounds curve. Cool. Letter C sounds ice. Letter C sounds chairman. Letter C sounds chroma.
Good.
Letter C sound k, carrot. Letter C sound k, Chris. Letter C sound ch, chandelier. Letter C sound s, pace.
Wait.
Letter C sounds k, gay. Letter C sounds ch, cheese. Letter C sounds cr, chronic. Letter C sounds police.
Good.
Letter C sounds k, automatic. Letter C sounds ch, cheer. Letter C sounds cr, Christian. Letter C sounds s, is exercise. Thank you.